Hi guys, today our channel brings you top 5 calculation tricks that you must try in your mobile calculator. So guess what? Let's begin. Hashtag 5 Power 0. So in this mobile calculator you take any number like this or like this or anything. Just do any number and power 0 and you will always get 1 as the answer. It may be as many numbers as required, but well, this is not much fun trick because it's a fact basically that whenever the power of a number is 0, then the answer is 1. Okay, now we have tried the first trick. So hashtag 2, the imaginary number. Now this is a fun experiment to do with your calculator. So you must have heard about square root of 1 or say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or such numbers. Okay, now let's try something different. Let's try under root minus 1. When you type this and click on equal to sign, your calculator will say that this is not a number. Now, by this way you outsmart the calculator because you can divide under root minus 1, but it takes us to a totally different topic, that is imaginary numbers. So basically under root minus 1 equals I, which is an imaginary number. Okay, now let's delete. So we have seen our second trick. Now moving to hashtag 3. Okay, so hashtag 3, it's division by 0. So I think that most of you might be knowing it, that 4 divided by 0 equals what? So your calculator will say cannot divide by 0. And even you might think that the calculator is right because you have been taught so, that division by 0 is not possible. But let me tell you that anything divided by 0 is infinity. Now to prove that theory, I'll release another video on the YouTube, so must try it. Okay, for the time being I'm not taking the video too long, so just remember that if you divide any number by 0, the answer is infinity. Okay, now we have tried our third trick. Now moving to hashtag 2, pi. So pi is actually, it's not a trick, it's also a very fact. So let's see what this fact is. You have to just type a pi in the calculator and click on equal to sign. So it'll show this number. Now you have to keep moving this number and you will get endless series of numbers without any repeating pattern. Now this is a feature of pi. When you divide 22 by 7, we have read that it's just 3.14 and something more decimal places further. But it goes endlessly without any repeating pattern. And that's the most fun thing that I've tried on this calculator. You can just keep on moving. Okay, so you can just keep on moving this number and it will never end. Okay. Hey, what the? It'll never end. You can continue it. Okay, so now we have seen that 22 by 7 is an endless number after the decimal point without any repeating pattern. Okay, now let's move to our very interesting and very first calculation trick, hashtag 1. So this trick's name is add powers. Okay, so by this name you have to just simply do like this. You have to type 10 to the power 100. Okay, so this gives us an answer 1.e100. Okay, now this number is called Google. Okay, and most of you might hear this word because the search engine Google was formed by the mispronunciation of this word Google. Now we will not get much into the big numbers, but let me tell you that I've posted a video about the largest number also on the YouTube, so must try it to understand it much better. Now you have typed 10 to the power 100 and it gives you an answer of 1.e100. So let's change the question a little bit. So let's type 10 to the power 10 to the power 10 to the power 100, and it will not give any answer. Okay, you continue to type equal to and it will not give any answer, but yes, it will write that timeout value may be infinite or undefined. Okay, so let me tell you, this number that we have typed right now on our calculator is so massive that the whole universe doesn't have the space so that we can write this number in general form. This number is called the Googleplex, and an even larger number, that is 10 to the power 10 to the power 10 to the power 100 is called Googleplexian, and it is much larger, and you cannot just simply solve this number. An even larger number, that is 10 to the power 10 to the power 10 to the power 10 to the power 100 is a Zugol, and it keeps on going till a Googleplexian. Okay, so I have shown you top 5 tricks that you must try with your mobile calculator. So yep guys, don't forget to be a companion of our channel. So for that, you must subscribe our channel and do like and comment. Goodbye.